Say hello. Say hello to the people.
Hella baggy right here. I'm gonna bring them in at the crotch and at the waist so they fit better. Well, grabbing myself. My goal with this is to keep the original stitch line. Like, I don't want it to look like I tapered these jeans. So, crotch again, side view, bow. Okay. And then the other side, like here on the sides is where they're mainly a problem. These are Jordache jeans. My mama used to wear these back in the day, so when I thrifted these, I was like, oh hell yes. Enjoy this tutorial.
Just do what I did on the outside. There we go, and we got it. Got it done. I'm gonna flip it again and then sit with it from the inside.
There we go. Okay, so cutting that. I'm gonna bring it in and just sew over like so. So I'm not gonna touch the back part because it's gonna come forward. Right now it's just like an inch. And now I'm gonna bring this back piece up here and then I'm gonna sew it. I pinned it here. Okay, so I cut off the excess part. I cut it all the way until I broke it at the seam. It's because this is a French seam. I want it to look exactly the same. I'm gonna tuck it inside here, fold that piece over. So I'm gonna tuck it all the way through and then roll.
There, and then I'm just gonna tuck it the rest of the way. So far. I'm gonna pin that part too, because I just want to make sure that I'm still gonna do the French seam. I think it's harder right now that I'm doing it because some of it is still sewn right there. So there we go. I'm gonna pin that. Do the same. Do the same to this side. So this is just, I don't even know what this is gonna look like when I'm done because I've never done this before in my jeans. But this is why you try it with jeans that only cost less than $5. Okay, so now I'm pinning. I'm gonna pin that together. And okay, so it's all pinned there, and then now I'm gonna roll it because I'm still going to keep the French seam look. So I'm just rolling it here, and then I'm gonna add another pin on top of that. So to keep the fold. And then I'm gonna take this pin out. Roll it. Fuck, I just got myself. I'm just gonna keep, let me take my hand out. It's kind of hard without my hand on the inside. But, so I'm just gonna keep rolling. I'm gonna keep rolling, and then taking that pin and using the pin on the top. Because like I said, I still want the French seam. So, now I'm rolling this. It's gonna be hard to sew. Like usually I always have a difficult time sewing over like really thick pieces, so it's gonna be pretty difficult to sew over this because it's really thick. But I'm still gonna do it. So roll, take that pin out, put it on the top. Roll, and put it on the top. Oh, that's too much under there. I can feel it. So that came out. Okay. So I'm gonna tuck it, land it, and put it on top, roll it, and pin it. And then all the way to the bottom. If I would have seam ripped the whole thing and did this, it would have been a lot simpler, but I didn't, so there's gonna be a little bit extra. Especially if the material that I'm sewing on is like really thick. I feel better taking them out. I'm really excited to see what this crotch is looking like after. And it's just mainly because I've never done this before. Oh my god, it's gonna be so hard to get this to go over. Oh, isn't that difficult? Also, I'm like constantly stopping because I'm just trying to make sure at the same time that I'm not grabbing any excess fabric that I don't need.
It doesn't look the way it looked originally, but it's because I cut it off. Now I'm gonna just tuck in.
We're gonna make it work. So I'm just gonna pin it, and then just keep folding and pinning. And plus, this is gonna be in the crotch area anyways. Oh, you guys can see what I was doing. So I'm just making sure that it's folded under and pinned. So, doing it again, folding it under and pinning. And then this is just a little excess, so I'm just gonna make sure it's folded under, and then I'll pin it. There's excess on that side too, so it's just so hard because there's nowhere for me to put my hand on the inside to make sure. And the same to this side. Alright, so now it's all pinned on this side. Gonna go ahead and sew that line. See, sometimes when I sew over needles it don't do anything, but I can see. I'm taking it on this side as well. And then I'm pinching it down. Now, it should be, there we go.
Here I still have the excess piece of fabric. I didn't cut it out. I still have it on this side as well. The crotch area, it doesn't look that bad. Well, it don't look bad at all, honestly. But this is what it looks like on the side. This is what it looks like on this side. See if there's a difference. Like if it's tighter. Oh. Okay. Oh my God, it feels so much tighter. So. Okay. Oh my God, my butt looks so good. The crotch, bruh. I'm so shocked right now. Like what? Like it looks so much better. Oh my God, I'm so juiced that I did this. This crotch, like whoa. So here's the front. Here's the side. Here's the booty. And then here's the side. I'm probably gonna do this to all of my jeans. Even the waist, like, it fits so much better. Bitch, what? Look at my booty. This crotch though, whoa, like, I might do that to all of my jeans. Yo, yo, yo. I'm too juiced. Like, what the fuck? Bitch, what? Bitch, what? Bitch, what? Bitch, what? Wow. Well, that's it for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And I love you. Make sure you guys subscribe. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. So make sure you guys subscribe. Like this video if you enjoyed it. And stay blessed. Stay beautiful and stay true to you as always. Love you.